In today's video, I'll teach you how to sync Health Connect with Strava. So first of all, open the Strava application. You can see over here Strava application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top. After you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, manage apps and devices, that you can see on the screen. Now over here, you'll be able to connect a device. You can also see the services available over here. So if you want to connect to the Health Connect, what you have to do is simply check on this box right next to the option for Health Connect. Now after you do that, tap on this option connect that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, if you haven't downloaded the Health Connect, you'll be prompted to do so. So go ahead and install it. Now after that, you'll have to allow the access. For that, toggle on this option for allow all. Or you can also simply select the specific access that you would like to allow. After that, tap on the allow option that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the done option. Now after you do that, you can see over here Strava has been connected with Health Connect. So that is how you sync Health Connect with Strava. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.